YouTube, it is Hunter from Hunter Down Under. Today we are back with another exciting video. We are going to do another unboxing video. We are unboxing an OG candy edition Little Mama. Little Mama is created by Hebru Brantley from Chicago. Hebru Brantley, you can check him out on Instagram or Facebook. Hebru Brantley is famous for putting goggles on his art pieces. And guys, there were 200 of these Little Mama candy editions made. So, I just want to know, if you know if it is hand-painted, comment down below, because that's what I was told. So guys, like I said in the beginning, candy edition. We're going to find out if it's edible or not edible really soon in this video. But first, let's look at the box. This box is really pretty and it's a nice pink color. You guys can't really see it on the camera, but there's these really nice designs. And here's Little Mama. It's on this side and this side. If we turn to the side, there's the same pink color and some patterns down here where you also can't see. Here is a little shaped white Little Mama. On the back here is a picture of Flyboy, what we might do next. Here's a logo and Little Mama's name. Here's a poem that I'm going to read to you. Little Mama is a hero in her own right. Feisty, street smart and not the one for games. Boys, beware. So that was a poem, and down here there's some more pictures. Down here is a warning, and here is a Hebru Brantley sticker. And guys, I forgot to mention, on the side there's also some really nice art you can't see. So guys, let's put this box back. But now we're going to have to put on the gloves, but we're going to pull this out first and take the lid off, because it's very hard to with gloves and also this plug thing. And we're just going to pop them down here. So guys, we need to put on gloves because we don't want to wreck the piece of art. And also, these gloves are my father's, so they're way too big for me. Guys, I am so excited. Well, let's put these gloves on. So guys, we have the gloves on. We are gonna pull her out. She's so heavy and beautiful. But she is really heavy. Okay, you can definitely not eat her. I can just tell by looking at her. You can not eat her. And how you may think, at home, if she is candy edition, why can't you eat her? The paint is very shiny. You may see on the camera what makes her candy edition. So that's how she's very shiny. Here are her goggles, what I've been talking about, what Hebru Brantley is famous for. And that's really nice. This outfit looks like a modern day school outfit, and here looks like Converses. The Converses I want. Here are some grey socks, and her arms can move, and there are some details on this side and this side on Little Mama. Here are her pigtails, what I really like, they're purple. Here is an olive hat, like helmet, and at the back you can see her little cap, some hair behind, and on the side you can see her earrings. And guys, if we look at the bottom, this is going to be hard to lift. It says Angry Hero. And by I mean that, it makes me think of her as a modern day superhero. So guys, this was it for our video. If you like this video and want us to unbox more art, comment down below, because we have plenty of art to do. And guys, don't forget to subscribe, hit on notifications so you don't miss any of our good videos, and like this video. Share it.